Hello everyone, welcome to Amplify Learning. So today we are continuing our JEE Problem Series, and today we have a fairly simple question from definite integrals. This was a question from JEE Advanced with 2026. So here's the problem. So this is the definite integral we just have to solve. So the problem we have to solve is basically integration of 1 by 3 to the power x plus 3 from 0 to 2. So we will first do simple substitution. We are considering 3 to the power x is equal to t. We are taking log on both sides. So we get x ln 3 and equal to ln t, right? Now we do simple derivation, right? We take the derivative, so we get 1 by t dt by dx, but I've done one step jump and brought that dx to the left hand side, so we get dx ln 3 dx is equal to dt by t, right? So we substitute it into the integration and we get, obviously when you see the limits, when x is 0 we get t is equal to 1, and when x is 2 we get t is equal to 9. So we have also substituted the changed limits, so it is from 1 to 9 dt by t ln 3 t plus 3. Okay, so if we take out the constant 1 by ln 3 out of the equation, so we are left with dt by t into t plus 3, which is a very simple integration that is easily done by partial fractions. So that's what we do. We uh, we represent 1 by t into t plus 3 in this format: a by t plus b by t plus 3. And we have to, because if we do this we can have simple, this integration is simple, dt by t and dt by t plus 3. So we will be representing this in this format. So what we get, at plus 3a plus bt divided by t into t plus 3. Now in the numerator we have 1 here, so at plus 3a plus bt is equal to 1. So we will get that at plus bt, this coefficient a plus b should be equal to 0, but there, because there is no terms of t, right? So a is equal to minus b from that equation, and 3a is will be equal to 1. So a will be 1 by 3 and b will be minus 1 by 3. Okay, so we represent this as partial fractions. We get 1 by 3t minus 1 by 3 into t plus 3, right? So now simple integration, right? 1 to 2 dt by 3t minus dt by 3 into t plus 3. We obviously, integration of dt by t is ln t, right? So we substitute ln t, we do ln t and we substitute the limits. We get 1 by 3 ln 9 minus 1 by 3 ln 12 minus ln 4. Okay, so obviously we can represent ln 9 as 3 square, so it will become 2 ln 3, and ln 12 minus ln 4 is actually ln 2 by 4, so that comes up to as ln 3. So this ln 3 will cancel out. Okay, so we'll be left with 1 by 3 multiplied by 2 minus 1, so we get 1 by 3 as the answer. Okay, so this is the solution. So this one was a very simple question, right? Next we'll be tackling a electrostatics question. Also we'll be bringing some sheets with formulas for specific chapters. We'll be introducing that probably from the electrostatics video. Okay, so if you need any free JEE sheets which helps you to quickly go through all the formulas, maybe before exam, maybe before a mock test, right? So those can be useful. So you will find that in our next video in the description. So we'll see you there. Thank you and have a nice day.